Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, it's happening. And in this video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Oh, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now if y'all are watching this video on Saturday, January the 20th, don't forget that we have some amazing 5 off $25 scenarios that you guys can do today only. So if you've missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're both going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now let's go ahead and jump into our new clearance markdowns, because it's happening. We have our Christmas categories dropping down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday, January the 23rd. And up first, of course, we have our Christmas seasonal category. This does include all of our Christmas candles, and I have already uploaded a candle visual video so that you guys can find all of those hidden clearance items. So if you missed that, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, there are literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of items included in this one Christmas category. And I am going to be uploading another hidden clearance visual video for you all. And in those hidden clearance visual videos, we are going to be going over a lot of items that may not stand out to everybody as Christmas items. They may be thrown in with the regular stuff. I've been finding things all over the stores, so I have a pretty good idea of what is being misplaced out there. Or maybe the employees are just overlooking a lot of these items. I'm not quite sure, but either way, y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned. Let's do some homework together. Let's study these visuals, and that way on Tuesday we can get out there and score some crazy deals. And y'all don't forget that all of these Christmas items are going to drop down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday, and they are going to stay at 25 cents until the next clearance markdown, which should be a 10-cent markdown. I know that a lot of people out there call this the 25-cent sale, but it is in fact a clearance markdown, so y'all keep that in mind. Now, up next we have our Christmas apparel and socks, also dropping down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday, January the 23rd. Here's you guys some visuals. We've got all of those pajama sets from toddlers, little baby pajamas, all the way up to adult sizes. And then we have all of those holiday socks at just 25 cents. You can't beat it unless you can find these items when they hit 10 cents or a penny. Now, while we're taking a look at all these super cute Christmas socks, I do have a question for you all, specifically about the hidden clearance visual videos. When do you all prefer that I drop those hidden clearance visual videos? Do you guys like to see those hidden clearance visuals when the items hit about 70% off? Or would you rather me hold back a little bit, wait till 90% off? So y'all let me know what your thoughts are down in the comment section below. Be kind. It's not that big of a deal. I'm just looking for a little bit of feedback. So just let me know, when do you like watching those videos? At 50% off, 70% off, 90% off? Let me know down in the comment section below. Now, up next, we have our Christmas party and stationery category, dropping down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday, January the 23rd. Now, this category is not to be confused with our Christmas picnic category. I did get a question about that last week, and those are two separate categories, and we're going to talk about that here in just a few minutes. But let's go ahead and take a look at these items. There are tons of items included in this category. We have all those paper plates, napkins. Look high, look low, look everywhere you go, because I am still finding tons of these paper plates out there. I can't believe that they're still on the shelves. Alright guys, up next we have our Christmas picnic category, dropping down to 25 cents. So for this category, you're going to be on the lookout for the red Glad paper plates and cups with the snowflake design. Alright, up next we have our Christmas baking category, also dropping down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday, January the 23rd. This category does include all of our Betty Crocker icings and sprinkles. We have some cranberry sauce, some gravy. We also have that almond bark. Guys, I just used my last thing of almond bark just a few days ago, so I'm super excited that these are now dropping back down to 25 cents. I cannot wait to get out there and find some more. Now, also, don't forget we do have a DG cashback offer on the Betty Crocker products. $1 back when you purchase 3. Next up, we have our Christmas gift sets dropping down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday. And unfortunately, this still only includes the one Crest gift set. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Now also dropping down to 25 cents, we have our Christmas candy category. And surprisingly, we have quite a few hidden clearance items in this category as well. More than I thought that we would have. So like I said, y'all make sure that just stay tuned. I will be putting together that visual video. I have included a few in this video, but unfortunately I could not fit everything into one video. So make sure that you stay tuned and make sure that you have your notifications turned on. All right, now this is one that I'm really excited for. We have our Christmas air care dropping down to 25 cents starting on Tuesday. Now this category does include our Airwick Febreze and Glade holiday scented items. And we do have digital coupons. So that means huge overages starting on Tuesday. So don't forget, we still have that $175 off one Airwick digital coupon. And then we also have the $3.30 off two Febreze digital coupon. And if you are at an older registered store, that means huge overages. So again, stick around, stay tuned. I have more visuals with UPCs coming at you guys very soon. Now up next, we have our Christmas pet category dropping down to 25 cents. Unfortunately, we're still not quite sure what is included in this category. I was thinking though, it may just be those little milk bone treats that we found for $1. Unfortunately, I do not have the UPC code for that item, so I cannot double check, but y'all be on the lookout for those little milk bone dog treats. All right, guys, now if that wasn't exciting enough, we do have a penny list for this week at Dollar General, but first, if you are new to penny shopping, please remember that the #1 rule of penny shopping is that we do not ask the employees about penny shopping. So this week at Dollar General, we have our New Year's party supplies dropping down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, January the 23rd. So here's a look at all the items that are included in this category along with the UPC code. All that information is on your screen. Now, while we're taking a look at the rest of the items in this category, I do want to remind you all, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the hidden clearance visual videos. And also, let me know which Christmas category are you most excited for. I'm just really excited about everything. I absolutely love going out shopping when everything drops down to 25 cents. I've always had the best experiences. I meet the best people, and it is so much fun. So I'm really excited for Tuesday. You guys let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And of course, y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.